Hey, beauty lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of makeup trends that'll have you raising an eyebrow. Those bold looks that make you wonder if fashion's pushing the limits or just having fun. Grab your brushes and let's explore the latest Vogue-approved makeup trends. First up, brace yourselves for the neon eyelash trend. That's right, your lashes are no longer just there to enhance your eyes, they're now the main attraction. We're talking neon greens, bright pinks, and highlighter yellows. If your lashes don't glow like a rave, you're not doing it right. Ditch the mascara. Neon falsies are where it's at. Next, we've got blush that has no boundaries. We're talking full face application, folks. Cheeks, temples, maybe even your forehead if you're feeling artistic. Bright pinks, reds. Basically, paint your face like it's an abstract art piece. Why stop at a classic lip when you can smear your favorite shade wherever the heck you want? We've been limiting our lipstick for far too long, and now it's time to embrace the "my makeup bag exploded on my face" look. Glitter is having a moment. And by moment, I mean it's everywhere. On your eyelids? On your lips? Go for it. In your hair and maybe all over your arms? And lastly, the eyeliner trend that no one asked for but Vogue insists we need reverse eyeliner. That's right, forget your top lash line. We're focusing on the bottom now. Why bother with a traditional cat eye when you can just draw attention to the bags under your eyes? It's the kind of trend that makes you think, do I look edgy or just sleep deprived? Fashion's wild, so if you're into neon eyelashes or glitter everywhere, why not? Let me know in the comments which trend caught your eye.